Hey everybody, here I am with a early 2020 truck update. This is also a late 2019, early 2020 truck update that I've been meaning to make a video in back in December, but I haven't had a chance due to being busy all the time. So not much has changed on the exterior wise, but I did have to replace a few broken stuff on the exterior though. Even though it still looks the same from the previous video, but a couple weeks ago I ended up replacing my headlights again because I had a broken pair. Mainly on the passenger side, I had to replace this whole assembly and this headlight assembly because of it not being in there right, sitting in there right, and so I found a better pair that I on eBay and put those on, and otherwise they fit nice and tight, and I just put a coat of wax to kind of keep them protected though. But overall it is a little dirty from the weather and the rain that we've been getting the past few days, so it will be getting a full paint correction when the weather clears up and be nice and warm enough. And yes, I'm going to be replacing that old third brake light. Even though it still works, I'm going to get a smoked LED one to match the smoked tail lights. But if we take a look on the inside, nothing has really changed, even though I detailed the inside not too long ago. And it's looking like brand new since I used that Lexol leather cleaner to clean these leather seats. But after I get done using all that Lexol, then I'm going to use that Meguiar's Ultimate Leather Detail and that leather balm that I have. So for the current mileage we have, let me go ahead and turn the key real quick. So we had 124,000 miles, and I actually replaced my broken microphone, which I never made a video about because this clip was broken, so I bought another Bluetooth microphone and I ended up replacing that old broken clip and the broken mic. So this is just a little short update video for you guys. Ain't nothing really exciting. The truck still runs just as fine, and I just filming from my regular camera, so I will be getting a better video camera eventually. So hope you guys enjoyed the little short video, and thanks for watching.